Hello guys, this is Thompson from 5 Best Ones. Are you looking for the best product on the market? If yes, then you're in the right place. In this video, I will share every bit of information with you so that you can pick the best product according to your need. We have made a list by investing a healthy amount of time and effort. The link in the description demonstrates the product list with a pretty reasonable value. So let's get started. If you didn't subscribe to our channel yet, then subscribe now and hit the bell icon for our latest videos.
Number 1. Greatever G2 Full Face Snorkel Mask. Next up, we've got a slightly different type of snorkeling goggle. This Greatever G2 Full Face Snorkel Mask is a great way of improving your snorkeling experience if you're not a fan of the traditional mask and snorkel setup. Because it covers your whole face, you won't experience problems with the mask steaming up or letting water in, so it makes your face feel much more protected. For this reason, we highly recommended this mask to beginners. The snorkel element is attached to the top of the mask, which helps it to naturally stick out of the water. It has a two-way exhaust that allows air in and out of the mask, so you can breathe naturally. Plus, it has a built-in camera mount, so you can attach a waterproof camera and document your snorkeling trip. Our snorkel mask adopts a transparent flat lens made by high-definition premium PU resin, preventing distortion of the view and eliminating dizziness underwater. The removable motion camera mount allows you to clearly discover the underwater world. G2 Snorkel Mask is designed by a famous designer. We adhere to the folding design, as well as the addition of a 2-channel exhaust valve, and expand the diameter of the top snorkel to 1.26 inches. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 2. POPCHOSE Snorkel Set Silicone Snorkeling Mask. The POPCHOSE Snorkel Set has a bunch of features that make it perfect for beginners. Probably the most important of these features is on the snorkel itself. At the bottom of the snorkel, underneath the silicone mouthpiece, is a purge valve that lets water out but doesn't let any in. That means, if you accidentally go underwater with the snorkel, one quick exhale will remove all of the water. The snorkel is also completely foldable, so it doesn't take up much space. The mask has large eye holes, giving you 180O of clear vision. The glass is anti-fogging tempered glass, and it has a comfortable silicone strap to keep it tight on your head. None of these features are revolutionary, but they ensure that the mask and snorkel set work well, no matter how experienced you are. This mask has a very soft liquid silicone skirt that reduces the pressure on your face and seals your face well without worrying about leakage. Provide an HD panoramic view on your underwater adventure. In addition, the lens is made of high quality and anti-fog. The toughened glass allows you to see all the underwater creatures crystal clear. The ratcheting buckle and comfortable elastic strap of the diving mask can be adjusted to fit different head sizes. The maximum head strap is 16.54 inches. Try to keep the breathing tube perpendicular to the water when using it. If the snorkel is tilted too much, it will enter the water. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 3. Cressi F1 Frameless Snorkeling Goggles. If your snorkeling antics have escalated and you are now giving full-on diving a go, then the lightweight and frameless design of the Cressi F1 will assist you with your more daring underwater explorations. This mask has been magnificently designed to reduce the internal volume, which allows for easier equalizing while descending. This gives you the freedom to swim with ease as the tempered glass teardrop lenses provide clear visibility and the ultimate ocean view. We're also super stoked with the buckles on this model. With a simple push-button adjustment, you can tighten or loosen the strap quickly and easily, enhancing the snug fit even further. Reasonably priced and engineered using advanced and patented technology, there's no reason why the F1 frames shouldn't provide 100% satisfaction. Our handy guide to the best swimming goggles features more great products like this. Frameless masks are loved by many divers for their low profile and ability to fold flat for easy carrying, even in a BC pocket. Cressi's frameless design bonds a high-grade silicone skirt directly to a single lens for the ultimate simplicity. The lens is made of tempered glass and certified by the CE. The low internal volume allows for effortless clearing, and quick adjust strap buckles are molded directly into the skirt for a flexible fit and reduced drag. It also represents an unbeatable value, with a cost roughly half that of similar masks. The F1 is designed in Italy by Cressi and made in Taiwan. Cressi is an Italian brand pioneer in scuba diving, snorkeling and swimming equipment since 1946. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 4. Kraken Aquatics Single Lens Mask. Perfect for snorkeling, freediving, and even more exotic sports like spearfishing, the Single Lens Mask by Kraken Aquatics is a perfect fit for both amateur and professional divers. With a mythical sea monster behind its name, it makes complete sense that this hardy diving mask has been designed to shock users with its brute force capabilities and its underwater potency. Both scratch and shatterproof, this model has been built to last and promises to join you on many water-filled adventures. One flaw we picked up is that the size is more suited to smaller face shapes, so you might want to fit the pair before purchase. With an entirely watertight design and a one-piece lens intended to enhance your view, exploring the ocean in all its glory is just a snorkel away. Flexible silicone for leak-proof, comfort seal. Skirt and mask strap come in soft, supple silicone, which molds the dive mask to the shape of your face for a much more comfortable fit and watertight seal. Your snorkeling or scuba diving experience will be much more enjoyable with no more leaks or discomfort. Forget the other snorkel gear that uses flimsy plastic lenses. Our single-lens scuba mask uses quality tempered glass, which resists scratching and shattering, giving you peace of mind and a much better experience. Convenient buckle for easy adjustment. Simply pull the straps to the desired fit, and the buckles will hold the straps securely in place. Presto! Customized comfort for any diver. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 5. Kraken Aquatics Double Lens Snorkel Mask. Kraken Aquatics is doubling up with the introduction of their double lens snorkel mask. If their one-piece design didn't tickle your fancy, perhaps this one will. While this version does have a somewhat Darth Vader appeal to it and might not be the prettiest pair on shelves, what it lacks in aesthetics, it makes up for in reliability and performance. Boasting the feisty features that the brand is renowned for, these Krakens will certainly give you value for your money, if not more. Weighing a mere 7 ounces, these goggles look heavier than they feel. With their ultra-lightweight, soft silicone finishing and leak-proof seal, you'll be well taken care of. Flexible silicone for leak-proof, comfort seal. Skirt and strap come in soft, supple silicone, which molds to the shape of your face for a comfortable fit and watertight seal. No more leaks or discomfort. Forget flimsy plastic lenses. This mask has quality tempered glass double lenses, which resist scratching and shattering. Simply pull the straps to desired fit, and the buckle will hold the straps securely in place. Presto! Customized comfort. Thanks to its sturdy construction, your mask can stand up to all kinds of wear. From snorkeling in the pool to deep-sea scuba diving, a snorkel mask should help you see better, not obstruct part of your view. Now you can enjoy all the underwater scenery clearly. Please comment on which product you like the most. Let us know your opinion on the topic for our next video. We are done for today. See you again next week. Thank you.